Did you know that bed bugs are one of the most common household pests in the world? These tiny bugs can cause big problems, from itchy bites to sleepless nights. Our team of experts has the knowledge and tools to eliminate bed bugs from your home for good. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you've landed on this video, chances are you're dealing with a pesky bed bug infestation. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be discussing what to do if you have bed bugs and how to get rid of them for good. Bed bugs are tiny blood-sucking insects that can quickly infest your home. They're difficult to detect and even harder to eliminate, but don't panic, we're here to help. The first step in getting rid of bed bugs is to call a professional exterminator. They have the necessary tools and expertise to properly assess the situation and develop an effective treatment plan. In addition to hiring an exterminator, there are also some steps you can take to help control the infestation. Start by vacuuming your home thoroughly, paying close attention to areas where bed bugs are known to hide. You should also wash all bedding, clothing, and linens in hot water and dry them on high heat. This will help kill any bed bugs and their eggs that may be hiding in these items. Another important step is to seal any cracks or crevices in your home where bed bugs could be hiding. This includes gaps in baseboards, cracks in walls, and any other openings that could provide access to your home. Finally, be sure to inspect any used furniture or clothing before bringing it into your home. Bed bugs can easily hitch a ride on these items and spread throughout your home. So there you have it, our tips for dealing with bed bugs. Remember, the key to getting rid of bed bugs is to act fast and seek professional help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.